This is a video on how to find the angle sum of any polygon. Let's look at problem number 6 from our summative. In the summative, we were asked to find the angle sum of a 4-sided shape and an 8-sided shape. We have two strategies for doing this. If we have the shapes in front of us, we can break these shapes into triangles because we know a triangle has an angle sum of 180 degrees. I'm going to make a note of that. Triangles have angle sums of 180 degrees. If I split my 4-sided shape, I'm going to start at one vertex, and then I'm going to draw a line connecting it to other vertices that are not sharing a side with it. In the quadrilateral, the 4-sided shape, I end up having two triangles. So I'm going to take two triangles and multiply that by my angle sum of 180 degrees. When I multiply 2 by 180, my angle sum ends up being 360 degrees. I can use the same strategy for breaking my 8-sided shape into triangles as well. I will start at this vertex right here, this vertex, and then I'm going to draw a line connecting it to all the other vertices that it does not share a side with. When I do this, I've created 6 different triangles. So just like with the quadrilateral, the 4-sided shape, I'm going to take the 6 triangles I have and multiply that by 180 degrees. When I do that, I get an angle sum of 1,080 degrees. Another strategy, if I don't have the angle sums in front of me, I'm going to use the same two shapes and use our angle sum formula. For my 4-sided shape, I would use the angle sum formula like this. I know I have 180 degrees in in my angle sum for a triangle, and then I'll take my number of sides and subtract 2 from that to find the number of triangles in my shape. When I do this, I'm going to take 180 and then 4 sides minus 2 would give me 180 times 2, or 360 degrees. I can now try that with my 8-sided shape. When I do this, I'll use the same formula of 180 times the number of sides minus 2, and this gives me the number of triangles. When I do that, I have 8 minus 2, and using my order of operations, that's the first part I calculate, I still get 1,080 degrees. And that's how you find the angle sum of any polygon.